Okay guys, so mad excited. Anyways, so we're on the way up to the Hollywell Blue Mountains area, and I decided that I wanted us to play a game because my phone's charging and I'm normally the music plug. So okay, so this game is basically a sing-along game. Or
first of all, I'm losing the first game because we have a game like a curse jar game.
Oh yeah, okay, so Steven's mouth is really filthy
when I'm driving because people are annoying on the street. Like
still filthy. So I decided that for each curse word or expletive he says, he has to put $100 in the car. So he's at $700 now.
Which is a pretty good rate right now.
Yeah, because when I started driving for part of the way and we're kind of on the way when we start the game, so yeah. So anyways, so I'm going to say a random word and he has to pick a song. What the line has to either start with the word or the song, like the name of the song or something. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Baby. This is heavy.
Baby woo woo woo.
What is that?
Woo woo woo. The people in the vlog will know what song.
That's a song? That's a song?
Yeah.
Siri! So sing the rest of your song. No, babe, that can't count. You literally said, baby woo.
Baby oh baby I love you. That song messed me up. That would drive past all ago. Alright.
Maybe one more chance.
Alright, something else, yeah.
Okay.
I know some of you are probably like, dog, you don't know this song. You are not under pressure. You are not. I am.
Stevie naturally don't know songs still. Like, his playlist is so weird. He's not up to date, guys, but that's okay.
Because my playlist is very diverse. I listen to all genres of music.
Mostly rock and...
Judah, when I start singing some cartel, you're surprised when I'm singing it. You're like...
Because I never know say no, then look at this vagina.
Okay.
Alright, you give me a word.
Cars.
Really, babe? Cars?
You gave me the word baby. That's a.
But look at my songs. Baby, I love you.
Anyway,
and
cars. Thanks for that song. So I got a point for that.
No.
Cars.
No.
Cars.
Shoot. Them girl want car, man. Where bus a go? She air vroom vroom. Where's gonna go? She first a go. See that's a 2 on his song. Hey. Okay. Next one. You kind of just made that challenging for me, so. Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Damn.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
She's right here. Yeah.
And I saw your face in a clouded place. And I don't know what to do.
Alright, you gotta play for that one. Alright, what's my word? Boot to this man to make sure I'm not reversing.
Wife on the tooth, man. Guys, yo, driving through the Blue Mountains is really difficult, especially because the roads are so narrow and winding. So yeah, Judah's pretty much playing this game to get her mind off of her upset stomach.
Yeah, I was feeling car sick.
But seeing that we're driving through the Blue Mountains, the word that you're going to be singing on is about blue. The word is blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Blue's Clues!
No, that's not good. Nice try though.
See, I'm thinking I can think that was Blue's Clues thinking in my bob.
No.
Okay, damn, blue. Is there a song about blue balls?
I have no clue.
Blue, babe, really? You know the song was started blue?
I'm blue, da-ba-dee-da-ba-die.
No, see this?
That's a weird song. Some people say that song is kind of, yeah. because they remixed it.
No, baby, you need to give me a better word than blue.
All right. Hot.
Hot? It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off. And a little bit, and a little bit, Woo!
Oh, so tough to do this.
Alright. Hills. I was singing a song earlier about hills when we were coming down the hill. So let's see.
Coming right up on our hillside. Nobody ever turn to.
Technically, you are incorrect.
But no, I say hills. Are still hills.
No, babe. The word is hill, not hillside. So. E for effort though, E for effort.
She's surprised that I popped that one right out of that
You can get an E for effort. Me get a half a mark.
Yeah.
Half a mark. Okay, my turn.
I'll give you an easy one, the road.
There's an Idonia song in my head, but the words are just not flowing right now.
It's like for me too. Boy, I can't drive him.
And there's a popcorn one too. Shoot. Road burn off, you know. Damn.
No.
Damn. No, I'm trying to remember the lyrics. Take on the road.
Yeah. Looks like I'm winning.
Alright, now I'm not gonna pass that one. The words are not coming out.
When we touch the road, we clip them load. Brain touch the cloud, I'm very proud. Gunshot, burn them skin like this song we sing. When we done with him, never drunk go want him now.
Babe, okay, I see you. Oh, okay. Next one. Lollipop.
She wanna lick me like a lollipop.
I was not expecting you to sing that one.
Lick me like a lollipop. Wanna lick me like a lollipop.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Those too easy.
Green.
What is with you on the colors?
That wasn't my first color for the day. I think.
No, you did blue already. You just gave me blue.
I said mountain.
No, you gave me the word blue.
Blue?
Yes, you did. Anyways, there's this Elephant Man song.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not green. No John.
Not even a
So give me a better word.
Trees.
The fuck? I'm trying to think about a song with the weed.
That's why I give you that because there's a lot of songs with it.
Yeah. Let's smoke with weed in it. Man, life. Trees. Babe, you guys are quit.
Is a dude winning? Leave the trees and let them be. Oh no, can't you see you're destroying the environment?
Is that like an ad?
No, it's actually a weed song.
Really?
When he says leave the trees, he might talk about weed. Hypothetically.
Okay. But it sounds like a little jingle. Anyways, guys, my hand's getting tired from holding this heavy camera. Yeah, we see you. Alright, cool.
So is it that I won? That we have given up?
What just happened?
Huh?
Oh, okay. My hands just getting tired.
Getting really tired?
Yeah, your camera's heavy. This one's heavy.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
Don't you like big heavy things in your hand?
I like big things. It doesn't necessarily gotta be heavy.
Can't lie. Oh,
Baby, keep on going blank.
because the hand is going over the electronic viewfinder.
Okay. But anyways, guys, welcome to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we're always smiling.
It's gonna be one whole vlog by itself, like, yeah.
Yeah, so that was like a semi-entrance thing to your vlog.
Entrance hall, that's at the end.
You didn't leave put us at the end?
That's when you just said it.
What?
You just said it, you didn't introduce the video.
I just said, welcome to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we're always smiling.
At the end of the video.
This is gonna be an ending? Why? I was actually, wait, didn't you just close off a vlog a while ago?
Yeah.
Exactly, so this is a new vlog.
Yeah, but you said it at the end of the video. I get what you're trying to do as in camera tricks where I can put that at the beginning, but
yeah,
if it doesn't seem like, for example, if you put that at the beginning when we were leaving from the city, it seems weird. It's just like, how were you in the mountains? And you said that no. It's like, yeah. But I'll watch it. If it works, it works. So I can do that. And then your intro sounds more dull than the first intro you're in. Hi guys, it's been a game. So that?
I just said, hi guys, we're gonna play a game.
You even said, oh my god, that sounded so perky.
So crop it out. You watch it over, you know what to do, babe. You got it. You got it.
Okay. Anyway, guys, remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, don't curse as much on the roads if you don't got to. For me, it keeps me so preoccupied. Like, I get excited.
Cursing keeps you preoccupied?
It keeps me alert.
Really?
Like, yeah, because I'm
so your
super
filthy
focused.
mode keeps you alive?
My filthy mode? Does it keep you alive?
Sometimes. Anyways, guys, bye.